Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making a clear selection. Pick the folder you want to compress and remove any temporary files first so the archive stays tidy. Once done, open your file manager or change to the parent directory in a terminal. Make sure you have right permission on the destination. If you plan to include hidden files, enable Hidden View. Now select the folder or items. This immediate action triggers the compression options you'll use next, so don't delay. Next, choose how to create the zip. On Windows, use right-click right arrow send to right arrow compressed zipped folder. On Mac OS, use compress from the context menu. For Linux or advanced control, run zip r archive. Zip folder / in the terminal. Once chosen, name the archive and pick an output location. This affects later transfers. If you need privacy, set a password or use an encrypted zip tool. Make sure to consider split archives for very large data before starting compression. Finally, finish the process and verify success. Wait until compression completes, then open the zip to confirm files and folder structure are intact. Once verified, test extraction to a temporary location or another machine to ensure portability. If everything is good, you can remove or archive the originals. If something goes wrong, check permissions and file locks first, free up disk space, or recreate the archive using a terminal command that reports errors. These steps usually resolve common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.